Shaquawn Dover, a bartender of Kansas City, West Linden, went missing on the 3rd of April 2021 and was found on the morning of April 30th, buried in the backyard of the home she shared with her boyfriend, Shaquawn Alleyne. A 15-year-old who allegedly witnessed the murder of Dover gave investigators information that subsequently led to the discovery of the body on April 30. The fugitive's father, who is alleged to have helped to cover the woman's death, was also taken into custody and later released.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great, countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country boss, big up yourself. Country girl, big up. 306, silent rebel. Nuclear Rastaman. Undocumented. Malcolm, Trini Boss, Clarendon Boss. Everybody. All women are remember big up on myself. All of the subscribers and non-subscribers. Now, yo, me I go right in a this. When you hear them two clip there in front of me. When you hear them two clip there. Now, when I see things like these, that's what drives me to set up this channel. When I see a young lady being done like that by this dude, that's what drives me to do this channel. I don't do this for hits and views, but when me see a little dirty boy can take the people them gal pitney and do that to her, you understand, me find a problem with this, and it brings me to right back full circle to why I'm doing this channel. It's because a pussy hole like this, you understand? Little dirty bass man, look what him do to the woman pitney. We are gonna follow that equation, yo. Now with this one, yeah, if you notice me start from the back, and I work my way up. But like me say, a story like this make me do vlogging to put story like this and see if we can try and help this young lady's family. Because if those of you who have been following me from the jump, you know that the Candice Jackson thing in Jamaica, that's what set me off. But I know I can bring value to the channel and to the subscribers, to the world, to my country, to everybody, when I can do stories like this and make a difference. So yeah, that's why Countryman do this. It's because a story like this that really bomb-clot upset me. Now, let's move on with the equation. If you read up the so it said 2 weeks after the young lady had disappeared, because she disappeared on April 3rd, the youth go to the police and tell them, say, yo, we can't find them girl. They put it in the media, people start and look for the girl. Now, 2 weeks after, the little sister, police start to her, and she cave in and tell the police what happened and took them to where her older sister was. And she did this on April 30th. Now, I'm going to move along and I'm going to tell you what this guy said happened. Now, remember, Shaquawn Alleyne, that's Alleyne, Alleyne, is wanted in Guyana. They said he's probably out of the country, in other nearby countries, or probably even in America, even Jamaica. So that's why I'm doing this, so we could try and give this lady some justice. But we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna show you guys something else. Boy, this youth here, he really do that girl that bad. Now, she's from a poor family, you know, and then they just bury her uncle. And now them have to come bury she. But that youth that you know, say she come from a poor family, and you know, she like him and thing. Him kinda take advantage of her. And she had planned for Lego. Cause she tell all her cousins them and everybody. But him no want let her go because she is so pretty. You understand? She work as a bartender. And him never like that. Because when she at the bar, you don't know a pure man I spend money. You see what I say? So they definitely had their issues. But what is really surprising, he was the one who went to the family, her family, and said, call the police and initiate a search for her. I didn't help them search for her day and night. Now, a word of the famous Judge Judy. She said if their lips move, they'll lie. And she was referring to people. So it is from somebody lips can move, them will tell a lie. Now, him said she was helping him cleaning him sitting, and that accidentally go off. You believe that? Who believe that? Raise your hand. He said that him and her was cleaning his burner, his shoes, and the thing went off and touched her in her head. Now, what made this really crazy, the fact that her little sister, tongue twisted, is the fact that her little sister is the one who helped dig the hole and put her down there. And she said the brother had threatened her and she was afraid. Let's move on. Now, him give police a full-fledged statement where him say him get up in the morning and him and Miss Dover, Shannon Dover, have breakfast. After that, him take a pair of clutch for car, go give somebody who had an accident. Then him say after that, him go by him auntie house and kick back, eat lunch, and thing. Him say when him go home, the girl never there. He did a look for her, she wasn't there. But him, the little sister, tell him say she gonna work. So him say him kick back and take a shower, get dressed, and go one party. Now look for all the things with the man do that. Me don't know how that. Now him say after him come from the party up a Blueberry, him never think nothing of it because before something like this happened and she was at her mother's house, so he went to bed. Him say when he get up the next morning and was calling her how many times and she not answer the phone now, that's when him start panic. that's when him tell the police them, you know. That's when him start panic and make a phone call and call our family, call the police, whatnot. Now, how cool is that young man? He means a bomb box hard coward. Not for them money have woman strength, dog. He means a little waste man. You understand? My youth, if you turn in yourself, yo. Shaquawn Alleyne. You know, him father must love basketball. I see him tattoo up on them thing there. And him a 21-year-old. And him shouldn't even have the thing where him have a play with. Because them don't know how to use it. Them not tactical. Them don't know nothing about safety. You understand? But you need to turn in yourself. And the reason why I do this video, like I said, when I see a story like this, it really bothered the hell out of me. Let's move on. The police, them put him tail. Them track him to Suriname. And then track him to another country. But the near saying, get where? Them get her from Suriname and the other country. So now them put out the wanted ball upon him. Cause them say him evil the way him do that girl there. At one point he went to the police station in front of our family them and I tell the police them say she have a man. And a man used to come check our sister yard and she and the man drive off. And all that is a lie. Now, her sister said she was going to leave him. She didn't have to leave him. So, you know that going on. You know that go. You know how to do your thing right. You know how to do your job as a man. Woman I go on let go. So, but him take it the wrong way. No, him not have no big criminal record. Him did get catch with some little thing. And, you know, when him about 17, 18, 17, and then that's it. And him father is a high school teacher. So him parents them have good job and thing. But at the end of the day, I want a youth in prison. Shaquawn Alleyne licked down that girl that Jeanette Dover in a Guyana and him caught. And now the police them want him. So me, I help the police them and help our family. Me I push this. So more on the people them fi share the link here. And they not even have to like it, you know. But more on to share it to every Caribbean people, you know. Because countryman have a purpose. I'm not just there so I make video.